Welcome to this session by pro-legal minds on the subordination of courts, a cornerstone of the judicial framework in India. This session unravels the hierarchical organization of the judiciary, where subordinate courts operate under the guidance of higher courts, ensuring uniformity in legal interpretations and decision-making across civil, criminal, and revenue matters. We'll explore the structure, its implications, and key provisions under laws like the Code of Civil Procedure, 1908 and the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhitha, 2023. Along the way, we'll dive into real-world examples and landmark judgments that highlight the critical role of subordination in maintaining the rule of law. Let's begin. Subordination of courts refers to the hierarchical organization of the judiciary, ensuring that lower courts, subordinate courts, function under the authority and guidance of higher courts. This structure facilitates consistency in legal interpretations and decision-making across civil, criminal, and revenue matters. Subordinate courts are obligated to follow the directions, judgments, and legal principles established by higher courts, promoting uniformity and the rule of law. The concept of subordination in the Indian judiciary is foundational to its functioning. The judiciary is organized into three main categories. A. Civil courts. Governed by the Code of Civil Procedure, CPC, 1908, civil courts deal with disputes related to contracts, property, family matters, and more. The hierarchy ensures that judgments of lower civil courts align with the precedents and principles established by higher courts. B. Criminal courts. Regulated by the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhitha, BNSS, 2023, previously the Code of Criminal Procedure, CPC, 1973, criminal courts handle offences ranging from minor violations to serious crimes. Subordination ensures uniform application of criminal law and adherence to appellate and supervisory oversight. C. Revenue courts. Governed by state-specific land revenue acts, these courts resolve disputes concerning land, tenancy, and revenue matters. Their subordination to higher revenue authorities ensures fair adjudication and appellate remedies. In all these categories, subordinate courts are bound by the legal interpretations and judgments of higher courts, creating a structured appellate framework that ensures justice is administered uniformly. 3. Detailed explanation including relevant CPC and CPC sections. A. Civil courts. The subordination of civil courts is explicitly mentioned in Section 3 of the CPC, 1908, which outlines the hierarchy. District courts are subordinate to the High Court. Civil courts within a district are subordinate to the district court. C. Revenue courts. The hierarchy of revenue courts varies by state and is governed by specific revenue laws like the Land Revenue Code. Courts act as the primary level and are subordinate to assistant collectors or subdivisional officers. Appeals from assistant collectors proceed to the district collector, and further appeals may lie with the Revenue Board or Revenue Tribunal in some states. This hierarchy ensures an organized structure for appeals and reviews, providing a pathway for aggrieved parties to escalate disputes. 4. Examples. 1. Civil court subordination. A civil suit decided in a district court can be appealed to the High Court. The district court is bound to follow the legal precedents set by the High Court in similar cases. 2. Criminal court subordination. If a judicial magistrate convicts an individual in a criminal case, the accused may appeal to the Sessions Court. The Sessions Court has the authority to review or modify the judgment, ensuring adherence to higher judicial principles. 3. Revenue court subordination. In a land ownership dispute resolved by a tsuldar, the aggrieved party can appeal to the district collector. The district collector's decision is binding on the tsuldar, reflecting the hierarchical structure. Reference case laws and conclusion. 1. Kiran Singh and Ors. Versus Chaman Poswan and Ors. 1954. This Supreme Court case underscored the importance of subordination in civil courts, emphasizing the necessity of jurisdictional consistency and clarifying that judgments passed by courts lacking jurisdiction are invalid. 2. State of Maharashtra vs. Shashikant S. Sharma, 2002. This case highlighted the subordination of criminal courts, ruling that lower courts must adhere to decisions and guidelines issued by higher courts within their jurisdiction. 3. Ramkaran v. State of Rajasthan, 2005. The Supreme Court in this case reaffirmed the hierarchy in revenue courts, stating that appeals must follow the designated chain of subordination, ensuring that no bypass occurs in the appellate process. Conclusion: the principle of subordination of courts is fundamental to the Indian judicial system, ensuring a clear chain of command and accountability. Through structured hierarchies in civil, criminal, and revenue courts, the judiciary maintains consistency in decisions, facilitates appellate processes, and upholds the rule of law. This structured approach ensures that justice is dispensed efficiently and uniformly across all levels of the judiciary. Thank you for watching this session by Pro Legal Minds. We hope you found the content insightful and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable legal insights and updates. youtube.com/prolegalminds. If you have any legal questions or need assistance, visit us at prolegalminds.com to connect with our expert team. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of the law with confidence. Stay informed. Stay empowered. See you in the next session.